Hey, mate, so you know how in the tech space, we're always on the hunt for better ways to store, manage, and retrieve all that data we're just generating, right? Enterprise systems need to be incredibly scalable while also keeping costs to a minimum and ensuring absolute security. Azure Blob Storage, let me walk you through setting it all up with Azure. Imagine Azure Blob as this magical vault in the cloud that can store anything from images to backup files, and it's designed to handle it like no other. So, Azure's this colossal virtual giant within its framework, and it's got something for almost every storage necessity. Blob storage sits in there, and when you want to get started, the most crucial first step is grasping the overall architectural setup. It's built for storing large amounts of unstructured data, and with its cool features, you can reduce costs, speed up access, and tighten security to really top-notch levels. Azure has this tiered data model. This is where the magic happens. You've got hot, which is for super hot data that's accessed frequently. Cool, a bit less frequented but still requires a solid performance, and archived for, well, let's just say, data that only visits the vault way too rarely or not at all recently. You can have all this data organized neatly under each tier for optimal cost and performance. I've seen businesses cut costs and boost speed with the tiered approach down to the wire. Troubleshooting is essential too. It's not business as usual without it. When things get a bit murky with data errors or access issues, Azure gives you this fantastic experience on how to dive in and resolve it quickly and efficiently. And you learn best practices for ensuring that once your data is in the blob, it's not a one-way ticket. You have lifecycle management to keep track of how long your data's been sitting in the vault, so you can move it around as necessary without a hiccup. Let's wrap up this journey into the world of Azure Blob with a parting gift for you, the nirvana of learning resources and community. Check out Neeraj's website, qzz.io, for a wealth of knowledge on Azure and a deep dive into leveraging Azure Blob storage. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe to TechLab. They've got the latest happenings and insights right on their front burner, so you're always in the know of what's buzzing in the tech scene. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. Let's keep this chat alive.